Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Morgan and thank you so much for tuning in and for joining me today because it's episode 2 of building a SWIMPIRE. And like in episode 1, I was telling you guys like the framework of how you should roll it out. And right now I'm going to be showing you guys the first step of building out the design elements that I am going to be using for the spring and summer collection. Now I've already done the template already and I've already been working on this just so it's easier and I don't take up too much of your time. So I'm just going to explain what I did. I'm going to show you really quick all the things that I use, so that way if you wanted to do this or do something similar to how I roll out mine, it's easy for you to achieve. Is I am using Canva. I do use the pro version of Canva. However, for all of this right here, you don't need the pro version. Pro version allows you to erase the backgrounds. However, I like mine, so I'm not going to change that. And yeah, so I'm going to show you, I'm going to jump right into it. So right now, what you guys are looking at, let me move myself over. What you guys are looking at right now is just the page. It's a one-page layout, and this is on the size of this is 8.5 by 11, which is the standard size for like a printer paper. So if you wanted to print this out, you could. If you want to print this out in black and white and just fill in the names of the colors with a pen or a pencil, you can also do that. I like to do it with color because it's just easier and less hassle for me. So this is what I like to do. But what I have right here, like I said, you're looking at the one-page sheet right now, and you can see that I have the colors right here at the top, which are colored in circles that I use. You can use squares, you can use triangles, rectangles, whatever shape that you want. I prefer circles right now. It's just easy, it's clean, it's simple. And I have inside the boxes, what you see is it says size small through extra large, and this is because these are the sizes that I'm going to be rolling out per color. Some of them, these change from swatch to swatch. So for this colorway, this will go up to a 2X. For this colorway, it'll go up to 1X. This one is a 1X, and you can see I have different color bubbles on the outside, and that just indicates that this is a multicolored pattern. And then as well as this one, this is a multicolored pattern fabric that I'm using as well, and it says OS, and that's because this is going to be a one size design. And down here I implemented just rough drafts of some designs that I worked on Procreate on the iPad, how I sketched these all out. And these are what the styles are going to look like as of now. But this one I sneak peeked, the orange one I sneak peeked on my Instagram account, and it was received really well. So this is definitely going to be going out for the collection. And these are all the things that I'm just in pre-production with right now. I do have other styles that obviously aren't up here according to the color chart, but this is just a brief overview of how I'm going to be rolling things out. Now, all of these colors, again, are not going to be used at the same time because I have different rollouts per season. So I have a few that come out in the beginning of the season, some come out mid-season, some come out towards the end of season with the rollover of the following season, or the upcoming season I should say. And so it's going to look a little different per, design basically. So aside from that, on the side of this, you can see I have different styles and the names of each style. Now, I'm not going to say the names of these yet, obviously, because I haven't put them out there yet. They're coming out in a few days actually. But for a general guideline where it says 2-piece set, and then it says 2-piece dash set number 1, this will be the style name. So if you wanted to name like your top amber or your set amber and your bottom like cocoa, you can put amber top amber top set number 1 or cocoa bottom set number 1, and you can put that inside the bubbles however you want. This is, again, you guys, it's just a guideline of how you can do things for yourself and for your brand. This is just what I'm doing. This one right here corresponds to this layout, which is the second one, which is going to be one of my one-piece styles. It's definitely going to be one of the wild styles. This goes hand in hand with some of our signature styles because the wild styles usually come out around this time, which is our animal print selection. And I just named this wild style, and then I put SS21, and that stands for spring summer 21. And I put style number 1. So this would be the first style that you would get for the season. And then this one, for the orange one, this is a new addition to Mayhem Swim, and this is our sportswear collection because we are going more into the sporty side. It's just how my brand has been aligning with myself and my audience. So the sport styles have been selling really well. And so I put sport 2-piece dash set number 1 because this will be the first one that's rolling out for the season. Down here, I just have my brand name, which is Mayhem Swim. I use the same font that I would use for our brand. This is our brand font. I use that. And then underneath here, again, this is just a one page. It has multiple pages to this, but I'm showing the first page because this is the most important, so you can visually see what it is that you're doing. But under the brand name and everything, I just have SS21 right here, and it says collection number 3 because this is our 3rd spring summer collection. And then I put sportswear, leisure, and signature, and those are the styles that I'm going to be doing, as you can just see right here. So we have the sportswear, we have the leisure, and we have our signature style right here. So they're all implemented in this this collection. Now the second box right here in the middle, it says SS21 deadlines, and obviously you put the first drop is going to be 2/15, and that's only for our VIP. That's for anybody on my mailing list. They get to shop the site completely a whole day early, which is great because it might be sold out, and whatever, that's cool because you guys were on the list. And the second drop is going to be the day after, the following day, and where it's open to the public and anybody can get on the site. So if you go on my site right now, there's actually a countdown timer stating exactly what time the site is going to open. It's been really cool. The buzz has been growing. My email list has been growing, and it's been a great marketing tactic as we move forward. And so the last box, it says website, Instagram, and Pinterest, and these are going to be our main focal points for this season, which is our website, because we have to constantly do updates per rollout. So that's a big thing of mine right now, is constantly staying on the updates. And the next one is obviously Instagram, because this is where we're going to do a lot of heavy promotion as well. And then Pinterest, because Pinterest, even though Pinterest actually brings me in more people than Instagram, I feel like Instagram I can post and react much quicker than I can on Pinterest. But Pinterest is still one of our #1 traffic sources, as well as #1 sales areas. So I always include Pinterest into my marketing, and I'm starting to get better and better at marketing on Pinterest. And so that's just the rollout of how we do things. So if you want to know the design things, the styles that I use to create this, I'm going to show you right now by adding a page. So I can duplicate this for you guys quickly. Again, on Canva, I'm clicking on the elements tab right here, and you're just going to go under the shapes area, and under shapes you can see they have different squares, circles, octagons, hearts, whatever it is that you want to use. Like you can use a triangle and you can shrink it just like that, super easy. And you don't have to lay it out exactly like mine because it might be boring to some of you, but this is just a clear focal point for me. It's so much easier. So you can do a triangle. You can also add a different shape if you want. You don't have to keep the same shapes. You can do different shapes and sizes. The goal is to just make it look nice, however, according to your style. So you can design and roll out things however it is that you want. So these are just the shapes, right? So what I do with these shapes is I'll take the triangle, and let's say I'm using the orange color. I'll put orange for that, and then I'll put blue for the square, and then for this one I'll do, let's say, I don't know, green. Let's do a lime green for this one, and then I'll go back into elements and I'll get another shape, and I'll shrink that, and I can add it somewhere else. I can add it up here somewhere, and I'll change the color to like this. No, not that color. I'll do yellow. And let's just say that's the colors that we're going to be using for our brand. You can do that, and then you can even simplify it. You can stretch it out how I did mine. You can do however it is that you want to roll your color palette out. However it is you want to visually look at your design elements. That is completely up to you, and that this is where you can get creative and have fun. Whatever's going to keep you motivated and keep you looking at your chart is what I suggest that you do. So you can do it just like this, and then obviously for the brand name, you want to put that somewhere big, because again, this is your spec sheet. So on your spec sheet, this is something you will probably share with your design team, and you want to make sure that everything is branded, so that way when you share it, they know it's from you, whether it's you hiring a virtual assistant, whatever. You want to make sure that they do that. So this can be implemented how I have mine, going across the entire page, or you can put it somewhere very small. Well, not small, but you want to make sure that your brand name is like on there. So it could even be like this, and you can change the color. Let's say it's going to leave it yellow, and then we're going to go hit the text button right here. So under text, this is where you add all the text that you want, depending on how you want it. And so you just click on the text, and right here you could put brand name. So this will be your brand's company. Whatever your brand name is, that's going to be, oops, let me shrink that. Whatever your brand name is or company name is, this is where you'll implement that here. And then for here, if you wanted to do the sizes and different things like that, you can have this rolled out however you want. Again, you go back to the elements tab and you can click out of the shapes, right? And they have different elements. So that's not the only elements they have. They have much different elements that you can choose from to stylize it however you want it. So you can do arrows. And so for instance, you can put, let me see where I get one. Keep going. Okay, let's just try this one, the plain white one. And I'm gonna turn that black. And then I'm gonna shrink it up a bit like this. And I'm going to angle it a little bit, make it a little bit bigger, slide it behind there, and then I'm gonna close, center it and make it go behind all of this. So you would just click on positions and go backwards just like that, so it's behind. And then you go back to text, and then you can add the things that you want to make sure that are included are sample sizes, official sizes, official sizes, color names or codes, collection details, content management, ideas, promo rollouts, okay, so this will be typical for what you would have inserted here, and you can insert that if you want directly right here. You can literally just write all this stuff out however you want. It doesn't have to be all like this if you don't want it like that, but this is just a general idea of what should be on this page, you guys. I don't want to make this a designing tutorial, but this is just showing you guys how to use the different things and where to find it on Canva. So you would do that, and then obviously you want to implement the styles that are going to be a part of your brand. So you can put, I'm just going to type in fashion. Oops, I did not type in fashion. Type in fashion on the side over here under the photos tab. And under here, you can find things that might be cool for you to just, well, this is just an example. You obviously use your own brand photos. And so you would input the photos for your brand. So that way you know exactly what you're going to need as far as like the details of your brand. And then I'm gonna flip this horizontal to the other side, and then position it backwards like that. So you see how easy that was? So you implement all these things right here and it gets easier. So this is typically the exact same thing, you guys, that I did up here. However, because this is my brand, I already know how I want it rolled out and what's visually appealing to me. So this is how I do that. So this is just the first step of implementing your brand elements. The other things that you would do, obviously, then my next page, you guys, I'm going to show you guys this in the next video actually that's coming up, but just the general idea. If you wanted to keep going, you can implement your face chart right here, and you could in my face chart, this is going to be what I want things to look like as far as like my makeup, my hair, the styles and stuff like that. I actually just got my hair done I just did my hair for the brand's photo shoot that's coming up for this season. But the idea of a face chart is to put out your face chart and put in those design elements of how you want your makeup and everything to look, just so that everything runs smoothly on your on your photo shoot day for your promo work that's going to be rolling out. So this will be something typical, obviously, and then you can shrink different photos, and you can add that like this. And then on this page, what you end up doing is putting in the different colors and stuff like that, how you want it. But you would have a better idea because it's easier for you to do your own you know, campaigning and makeup ideas and stuff. So this is just how it would go. It would keep on going like that, so on and so forth. So that's the gist of it, you guys. Now, so that is the end of today's video, you guys. It was a long one. I know. I apologize. I tried to shorten it like 1,000 times, but it just had to be what it was. I'll see you guys on my next video. Hope you guys like this. If you did like this, make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up. I appreciate it. It lets me know that you guys are watching my videos. Comment down below some things that you might want to add into yours, because I'm always interested in what you're going to do. Let me know if this video has helped you in any way, shape, or form. Tag me on Instagram. Let me know what's going on with you guys. Let me know how you guys are receiving my content. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, because that would only be right. But anyway, check out the videos that are going to be on my end screen right about now. Peace.